after cleaning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today what we're gonna do is try to be productive, and you're gonna just see what I do in a day in my life. But there's a twist to it because I'm not gonna use my phone for 24 hours. So I'm literally cutting myself off from the internet, which is gonna be really hard because I waste so much time on my phone. But I do have a lot of things that I need to do today. I need to do homework, real estate, editing videos, and then rearrange my room possibly. I got ready to go to the gym because it's a good way to start my day. Also, it's 5:55 a.m. I put my phone on Do Not Disturb because I need to put it in here. I'm back in my humble abode, aka my room. Looking at it right now, it's kind of messy. I left this futon from like 3 months ago when my friend Eunice slept over, and it's still there. So far I'm doing good without my phone. And I've been very productive, not really, but we worked out and it was a good workout. So that's all that matters. See, like there's a bunch of like junk everywhere on my desk, and then a lot of boxes and a lot of shopping bags. I should clean up my closet too. I need to fold laundry as well. Then my bathroom is a mess, so I need to clean everything out. So I changed my mind about keeping the futon in my room just because there's not enough room and I don't know how I'm gonna place it. So you guys saw me cleaning here and there, and now I'm gonna rearrange the furniture. Anyways, I'm gonna move my bed this direction. What the heck? I'm very picky about like the direction my head is when I'm sleeping. I kind of don't want to put my head facing towards the window. It's like a family photo. Let's get to moving. Now, since I moved the bed, I think I'm gonna move the desk now this way. And the dogs are not helping because they're just laying down where I'm trying to push and they're adding more weight. I'm mostly finished rearranging my room and I feel so old right now because I'm so tired. I need to take a nap. Anyways, we still have a lot more to go. Currently it's about 10:50 right now, so I need to fold my laundry, clean my bathroom, clean my closet, and then we'll be done with the cleaning for the day. Here is a pile of clothes that I just cleaned out from my closet. I still have to do my bathroom cleaning. I haven't even started my homework yet. Alright, let's get to it. I'm actually so tired right now after cleaning for like, how long this year? I think I cleaned for like, started at 9 and it's 12, so 3 hours now. I'm gonna take a quick 30-minute nap. I swear it has to be 30 minutes, because you know what's funny? I was gonna do this challenge on Monday, but I said I was gonna take a 30-minute nap. I slept for like 5 hours, so there was no point in me doing the challenge anymore. So, come on, let's be productive today. I just made myself a quick lunch because I'm gonna head out soon to play pool with a very fun friend, but here is what I made. This looks so ghetto. I just mixed brown rice with leftover kimchi and then chicken.
Well, mostly the, if you guys are into that kind of content, you're gonna like this video. 3, 2, let's begin.
I just finished showering and now I'm gonna just do my makeup because it is currently about 1 o'clock right now. So I need to leave around like 2:45-ish.
On behalf of their principal. Example.
Okay, so I just finished doing my real estate lesson. It wasn't too long today, but I should get started on the next day's lesson since it's really long. So now I need to start heading out soon and get ready to go play pool, which I'm so excited because I've been wanting to play pool. So I'm gonna go play with my good friend Hui. I'm just wearing a simple outfit. I have this graphic shirt on that I thrifted. It's really nice. I really want to go thrifting again for graphic tees. I have these lounge shorts from H&M. And then my biscuit is right there. And let's go head out now. The weather is so nice because I'm just waiting outside. And it's starting to feel like fall, which is my favorite season. He'll probably show up sooner or later. He's a very interesting and funny guy. You're gonna be in my video. Why? Introduce yourself.
Me no speak English.
Okay, whatever.
My name is Cristiano Ronaldo. And
Interesting fact.
Football player.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Alright, let's go play pool.
Let's go.
He's actually really good. Nasal. What the heck? Alright. Nice break. What the heck? You can do it that way?
Yeah.
No way. No way. Got Kim Jong-un up in here. Duma. Ah.
So good.
What is that?
You're in my team.
Me?
Yeah.
No, it should be me and Tien against you. Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh, really? What are you doing? Just do what you want.
The hat. It makes me can't see nothing.
Oh, is that why you're doing so bad?
Look better than you.
Oh.
What is that again? Wow. Is that right?
What are you doing?
A dog. Is that right?
No. That looks like a
Yes.
monster. What's this?
We put it first.
Next time.
Hold on.
Wave at the camera. What was your name again?
We.
Hello guys, I am back. I finished my OPRE homework. It was very tedious and annoying. I couldn't film any progress that I was doing because I had to figure out how to like empty my SD card since it was full. But since I figured that out, I'm recording now. I think it's been about like an hour or two since I started editing and I finished the intro, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what it should look like. So what I did was I added a bunch of clips, text, audio, and then stickers to make everything look cute. And then here's my intro video. That's just what I've been working on. I think I'm gonna continue editing, but I am going to head to bed soon, hopefully by midnight. And this was a productive day in my life. Definitely, it wasn't really much of a challenge to not use my phone. I think I could do this again, except for the waking up at 5 a.m. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night, guys.
Let's just take it slow.